seminar presentation for group assignment 1. Our group has chosen spiders from the strand living and non-living within the science subject. Science is a way of thinking, and Dawson and Venville 2007 explicate developing the ability of thinking and working scientifically as the main aim of science education. Slide 2 details syllabus content descriptors within the national curriculum, which we have focused on during our weekly group sessions. This in turn has led us to look in more detail at our objectives under the national curriculum, and we have identified an array of outcomes we'd like to achieve from our planned lessons. These include the use of science inquiry skills and learning about life cycles, right through to the making of visual arts and imaginative composition of texts. Ian Mitchell, Lecture 1 2014, said that teaching is not telling and listening is not learning. Children learn best if a lesson is interesting and engaging. Use of technology, such as interactive smartboards and computers, to access online activities and resources, will be used to make the learning experience engaging, along with the classroom activities to enable students to demonstrate practical skills. We have worked to include a range of activities to ensure the inclusion of all learning abilities. Our lessons will be integrated with a series of other activities in key learning areas, such as literacy, maths, technology and art. Background information will be ascertained through a series of open-ended questions and paired discussions. This approach will follow through into the introduction part of the lesson, when there will be an observation of a spider in a jar, pictures and explanations around spiders. 2 YouTube clips will be viewed showing amazing footage of spiders. Bush et al. 1977, Sowell 1989 and Thornton 1977 also argue that the use of manipulative materials, clear explanation and sets of open-ended questions are indispensable tools for a successful learning experience. The next activity will involve a spider vivarium and students recording their observations. According to the Department of Education and Children's Service 2014, the learning resources relevant for the ages of students help students to gain awareness of scientific knowledge and being respectful with others. Students will consolidate their understanding of the learning and content of spiders through diverse activities that we've planned carefully for them. The teacher will discuss types of spiders, introducing interesting facts and keeping the students integrating and demonstrating how to research these facts. For Lesson 2, we're using self-directed learning, or SDL, for the students to research their own spider type. Students will work in groups of 3 to 5 as per the Self-Organised Learning Environment, or SOLE guidelines. This approach encourages teamwork, everyone is involved, and it caters to all abilities of students, according to Mitra 2010. Prompts and guidance will be given in the form of examples of spider types, but students will ultimately choose what they want to research. According to Hipkins 2006, when students undertake their own investigations and engage in research, they tend to take more ownership for learning. A prompt sheet will assist students in scaffolding for the research assignment. This prompts on types of information they might like to find out about. In giving students the prompts on what to look out for, we're setting them up in preparation for the world of web-based research, which will feature heavily in their future lives. For the third activity, the rationale is to consolidate students' knowledge and understanding and what they have learned about spiders from this unit. The students will again work as a group. They'll discuss their ideas and methods of making their spider. By doing the activity as a group, the students will continue to recognise, appreciate and value each other's thinking and different problem-solving skills, as well as their collaborative skills. Then some groups will share their ideas of making their spider with the class. Slide 20 details the rationale of the activity, including that the students will be able to make and respond to visual arts collaboratively, they'll be able to explore and utilise their creative and imaginative ideas, and represent their ideas and how and why they made it. Importantly, the teacher will demonstrate expectations around this activity before the group starts. This will include displaying and explaining a sample in front of the class. And finally, our reference list. Thank you for watching. subject. Science is a Way of Thinking and Dawson and Venville 2000 seminar presentation for group assignment 1. Our group has chosen spiders from the strand living and non-living within the science subject. Science is a Way of Thinking and Dawson and Venville 2007 explicate developing the ability of thinking and working scientifically as the main aim of science education. Slide 2 details syllabus content descriptors within the national curriculum, which we have focused on during our weekly group sessions. This in turn has led us to look in more detail at our objectives under the national curriculum, and we have identified an array of outcomes we'd like to achieve from our planned lessons. These include the use of science inquiry skills and learning about life cycles, right through to the making of visual arts and imaginative composition of texts. Ian Mitchell, Lecturer 1